Good afternoon on a Friday afternoon. Hope everyone is doing well, and of course, still work hours. That those who are pushing at work are doing the best that they can. Of course, a very big event happened recently when President Ramaphosa, Anton Rupert, and Julius Malema through a screen, and Ronald Lamola, who is fighting the war to end what the government of South Africa terms a genocide in Gaza. But I'm not going to talk about international affairs. What I want to talk about really is the constitution itself of the republic. Is it really the best constitution that we can have? Or should it be reviewed from time to time? And when it is reviewed, must it not be reviewed based on a majoritarian view rather than the two-thirds view, which is a supermajority, so to speak? We must examine the constitution itself. For example, there's a right to life in the constitution. However, 27,000 people are killed every year, are murdered every year, according to the stats by the law enforcement agencies. Many are wounded, many are robbed, many are victims of fraud, many are victims of rapes. So if we say the constitution is the best, then why are we seeing such outcomes from the society that is supposed to be molded by this constitution, that is supposed to be a product of this constitution, which is now approaching 30 years? And of course, the link between customary law and the constitution itself is always in conflict, because some of the practices of customary law go against the constitution itself. But the constitution itself protects customary law, meaning that when issues are decided in lower courts where the constitutionality of a provision is not really a matter or is not really considered seriously unless it goes to the constitutional court, then you might find that bad provisions of the customary law or bad practices of custom are upheld instead of being opposed based on the constitution. So I think that is one of the biggest problems with our constitution, is that we are told that it is the best constitution, but we don't examine it based on facts or on things that happen. Of course, one might say, no, the constitution is the best, it's the politicians who are not able to implement its provisions. Because a country can really be ruled by the constitution itself. If it's the best constitution, then there is little need for new legislation. You just have to amend the constitution and it becomes a bigger book to respond to the problems of the country at all times. Thank you.